I'm back in my motorcycle garage, and things are finally starting to come together. First, I removed the front wheel, took off the brake calipers, loosened the axle bolt, and off came the wheel. I placed it on the workbench, replaced the brake discs, and gave the rim a proper cleaning. Then it was time for the rear wheel. Got it up on the bench and cleaned that rim thoroughly as well. I've also ordered new tires, Michelin Road 6 GT, front and rear. They've now arrived at the dealer, and tomorrow, Thursday, June 5th, I'll be picking them up. I'm bringing the wheels with me so they can mount the new tires, and while I'm at it, I'll also be replacing all the wheel bearings. Next, it'll be time to reassemble everything. New brake pads, fresh oil and oil filter, new air filter, and a brand new battery. And then, it's getting close. So stay tuned. You won't want to miss the first startup after all this work.